Building a hit song used to require a garage, a drum kit, and a whole lot of patience. Today, the entire process has been compressed into a single text box and a flashing cursor. This is the new reality of music creation. Sondo AI is throwing its hat into an already crowded ring. It wants to convince you that it can do everything the big names can do, but better. But let's get real for a moment. The hype around these tools is massive. Every developer claims their algorithm is the one that finally cracks the code of human emotion. Sondo is marketed as this all-in-one solution for songs and vocals. It promises full tracks from just a few words. The first thing you notice is the sheer speed. It is undeniably fast. You can generate a basic track before you even finish your morning coffee. For someone with zero musical background, that feels like a superpower. You do not need to know a C major chord from a hole in the ground. The interface is clean and simple. It is designed to get out of your way and let the AI do the heavy lifting. That beginner-friendly workflow is a huge draw. But when we look under the hood, things get a bit more complicated. The industry leader, Suno, has set the bar incredibly high. That specific top-tier tool has a reputation for creating tracks that actually get stuck in your head. Its vocal processing is eerie in its realism. It understands how to build tension in a bridge and release it in a chorus. This is exactly where Sondo starts to stumble. When you compare the two side by side, the difference in quality is hard to ignore. Sondo's output often feels less refined. The vocals sometimes carry that metallic robotic ring that we all recognize. It lacks that breathy, human texture that makes a digital voice feel like a real person singing. There is this uncanny valley effect where a voice sounds almost human but just slightly off. It can be distracting for a listener. Suno has mostly figured out how to smooth those edges. Sondo is still dealing with those digital artifacts that give the game away. There is also the issue of musical consistency. A song needs to feel like a single, cohesive journey. It shouldn't feel like a collection of random loops stitched together. Some of these smaller generators struggle with that. They create tracks that feel formulaic. After you use it 10 times, you start to hear the same structures over and over. It is like the AI has a limited bag of tricks. The mixing is another pain point. Professional music has a sense of space and depth. You can hear the separation between the instruments. In Sondo, the tracks can sometimes sound a bit muddy. The levels are off, or the bass swallows the vocals. These might seem like small details, but they are the difference between a song that sounds like a toy and a song that sounds like art. Suno has mastered the art of the catchy hook. Sondo feels like it is still in the experimental phase. It is great for a quick laugh or a social media post. But if you are looking for something that rivals a real studio production, it simply is not there yet. The short answer to the big question is that it probably won't replace your favorite music generator. It is a decent alternative for casual use. However, the crown is not moving just yet. We are looking for more than just a fast output. We are looking for something that moves us. Sondo gives you the notes, but it hasn't quite found the soul of the song. It remains a secondary option for now.